Hello, good evening to all my dear friends. In this video, I will share my experience. I want to share uh, something with you to helpful in your entire life. Uh, First of all, I share my thing as today I wake up and this see like that I do nothing because I feeling what I do next. But you need to one of my friend Prajwal say that you need to make the to do list for the um, for our day planning and a productivity. It is very important to make what you can do, what you want to do in today. It is like what do you want to what do you want to read, what you want to take off, what you want to eat. It is all about to what you want today. First of all, you can make it. It is it is less than 5 to 10 minutes. It take 5 to 10 minutes. It improve your all the entire day. That's why I say that you give 5 to 10 minutes every day for our day planning. It's improve your productivity or efficiency. In I say that I also follow. I feel that confident and I done work because you not making the to-do list. It impact our all the day and you realize that you cannot do anything. And after that when you have a to-do list, you can check that what the thing you can do in today, what the thing not to do taken. But you have make the goal realistic and short, not make like that reading for 12 hour. It is not possible for a man. You make a study plan for 2 to 3 hour. It is possible. You can play and other thing. But I simply request to all of you, please make to do list because it improve uh, your day or productivity. I say before that Prajwal is my friend. He make all the our task in our phone to do list, and then he prepare, then he do all the thing a productive way. And he have a knowledge that what I can do for today and what can I do for tomorrow. Because of it, his efficient planning. So you need, or we all have need to think about that. And best time to create our to do list before sleeping. Before sleeping you can make our to do list. That's then you get up and you are all the planning you have what to do after the get up, and what the things I learned today and I read today. uh, First of all, I thank Prajwal. He suggested me that to-do list is very important because to-do list improve your productivity. And I say that please make to-do list before your our sleeping. It take less than 5 to 10 minutes. That's all. Thank you to all my friend and especially for Prajwal Pratap Singh. Thank you.